How to fix SweatCoin not counting steps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not your Wi-Fi connection, then switch into your mobile connection. So after that, what you can do is just go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the SweatCoin application on your device. As you can see, it is already updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on SweatCoin and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on that and clear cache. And if it's possible and it's convenient, you can also delete all data. After that, what you can do is go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here like phone, contacts, and physical activity. Then go back and try to reboot your device and it might help you solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.